Sometimes in Python we get stuck in our program because we get this unexpected behavior and we don't get an output message telling us what it is, and that's usually where we lose the most time. In this video I want to address another potential bug that you can encounter that has to do with lists and a special string feature. So if we go ahead and print this list of 5 people, you'll notice that we're going to have only 4 items in the list. And this can be seen as quite strange in Python. We don't get any errors, so why do we get 4 instead of 5 items? And the answer is actually very simple, and this can happen at any moment when you're programming, and the worst part is you don't get any errors in the console, and that is if we actually make this list smaller again. You'll notice that between Luigi and Toad, we don't have a comma and the code still compiles. And this is not an error, this is just how strings work. And if we actually just go ahead and print these people, you'll see that it's going to concatenate Luigi and Toad without warning us. So this is something you need to be aware of when you are creating lists. And that is, if you miss a comma, it's going to continue to consider it one string, because under the hood, it's adding them together. And this is just a feature in Python. So this also works if you add another name, such as Wario. And even if it looks like 6 elements, especially if you make your lists like this, it's going to give you 4 as the output, which is a correct output, even though it looks like 6 items. So that's just another thing that's very good to know when you're working with arrays in case you run into issues and numbers that don't add up. This is 100% a possibility that works with Python and doesn't throw an error. But anyways guys, that's actually all I wanted to cover in today's lesson. So as always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.